Welcome to the Wordle Spencer. Today I will be unboxing a new one. It's called the Crystal Mirror Buddies, and in the box you get this one is Harry Potter, and it's a mirror effect. Get Harry in the box. You get all your tools in there, your instructions, and your crystals. And in this range of the mirror buddies, there are 6 different ones that you can collect. There's Harry Potter, Stitch, Groot, Spider-Man, Nobby, Dobby, and Baby Yoda. We will come back to you when we have finished. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, and subscribe.